The Urus, obviously. What the f? That's what we're doing this weekend. Blackout, fucking wrap this bad boy around a tree pole or something. I don't even know what a butterfly door feel like. Oh, it's not even a butterfly Rari? What a load of horseshit. I'm gonna try and figure out how to start a hoe. I genuinely have no idea what I'm doing here. So it says, alright, I think we're going. How does the fucking Ferrari work? This is pissing me the fuck off. Alright, close the door maybe? This is mad embarrassing. Oh wait. Am I fucked? Alright, we gotta go ask somebody how to start the Rari.